Hey, hey, Blue fam. Welcome back to It's a Blue Life. I am currently on day 5 of my 7-day cruise. Everything is going great. Right now, it's beautiful, it's sunny, it is hot on this cruise, y'all. I thought I left that heat somewhere back in Florida. I'm just kidding. But right now, we are getting ready to go to a cooking class. It is a tailgating cooking class we have booked here on the ship. I am excited about that. And you know y'all coming with me. Just chill. Just chill. Y'all coming. Just come vibe with me. But we are having a great time. We just finished brunch for sea because today is a sea day. So we're on the ship all day. We just finished brunch. Brunch was great. There was a long wait because, it's a lot of people on the ship. So the wait times have been a little crazy. Waiting and sitting, getting the food has been a little crazy. But all in all, everything tasted really great. Um, we have a all white party planned tonight on the ship. So we're gonna wear our all white and they're gonna be up on the Lido deck with DJ Q. He's gonna be spinning, y'all. He's a really great DJ. They say he's one of the OG DJs here on Carnival. He's very well known. This is my first time experiencing his music. It has been really good, really good. So all white night is tonight. So we'll be getting dressed up for that. Like I said, we're about to get ready to go to our cooking class, which starts at 2 p.m. I'm excited to do that one. But all in all, it's a sea day, so more of a chill day. We slept in today, which is why I'm doing my intro so late. It's literally 12. Actually, I'm wrong. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. We slept in. We went down to brunch. We ate, and now we're just chilling until our cooking class gets ready. But we've had a great day. Tomorrow we are porting in Nassau. So stick around for that. We've been honestly, to be honest with you guys, we've been to Nassau so many times. And I know there's like millions of videos of Nassau out there. So I just gonna let y'all know now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all because y'all my family on this channel. We only going to eat. That's all. That's it. We ain't going to do nothing else in Nassau. We just going to eat. We got our mouth fixed for some conch. And I've been fiending for some conch for months. So that's all we're going to do tomorrow. But we're going to walk around and tour the ship tomorrow. That's what we have in our plans for our itinerary. So I'll get to show you guys some more little things on the ship. Hopefully a lot of people get off in Nassau so it's not as crowded. It's been kind of hard filming, I would say, only because it's so many people and it's like shoulder to shoulder. So I'm not able to get in certain places to show you guys like clearly the things. So I do apologize if some of the footage isn't the best. But, you do get to see, you do get some sneak peeks. You just got to book the ship for yourself and come explore. That's all that means. Just a little, this is just a little taste of what's to come, So yeah, I know I had a little of a breakdown yesterday and I do apologize, y'all. I'm usually not emotional on camera. Like I really am serious about not showing that type of stuff on camera because I do feel like some people use that to their advantage. I'm not even gonna go there. But I was a little emotional because I do miss my babies. But I did talk to my kids on FaceTime. They're doing great. They are actually on their way to Miami. So they're going to meet me once I get off the ship because mommy needs to squeeze her babies. And I miss my hubby. I have to be up under him. We've been together for so long. That's like my right hip. Like I feel so empty if he's not literally near me, Oh, so yeah, that's what we have planned. I'm having a great time with my best friend. I surely appreciate this trip. It was something that was so much needed. And, she's such a great friend. Like, she's always willing to help everybody and do things for others. And sometimes I just would sit and wonder, like, what can I do for her at times? You know what I'm saying? Like, just to show how great of a friend she is. But all in all, we are having a great time. So I'll see you guys later. Stick around for some of the footage. I will be taking you all to the cooking class and hopefully they'll let me film. So we will see. But if not, I'll try to get some footage to actually add. I'll probably use my meta glasses to get some POV of me cooking and maybe can add that. So if you guys are enjoying the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you leave lots and lots of comments of what you would like to see me do for another trip. I know I do a lot of local things in Orlando right now, but where would you guys like to see me go? Let me know. See you guys later. where we'll be doing our cooking class. This is the Carnival Kitchen. We have a few minutes before we go in. We are doing the tailgate cooking class. I'm so excited, y'all. I am about to go get another battery just in case because I don't want this one to die on me. Like they were fully charged, but I started recording us at an impromptu salsa dancing class that we ended up taking. That was fun. That was so much fun. We just went inside. We saw it on the schedule. It was like, oh, this before our cooking class. Let's run inside. And we ended up doing that one. That one was a lot of fun. Now, I love dancing salsa. That's like my dad's favorite dance. But I don't know how to do it that well. I can do the movements and things like that, but actually learning the steps and stuff like that, that was good. So I got to go show my daddy what I learned so I can make him proud. But I'm running to get a battery and we'll be back to the cooking class in a minute. Kitchen for the tailgate cooking class. And I just want to give you guys a quick preview before everybody starts coming in for the class. So they have everything already set up. This class is something that you book ahead of your cruise because it goes extremely fast. Like it books up so quickly. You got to make sure you're on top of it before your cruise. So they set out all the settings and they have everything that you're going to need to utilize to cook with. So y'all can see this is the kitchen we are in. We have our chef getting prepared and we're about to get cooking. So again, do make sure if you want to take any of these cooking classes that you book ahead of time, because even for this one was already completely sold out. But luckily, when Nikki went on to try to see again what other classes were available, it popped up. So maybe some were canceled and we were able to get it then. But we wanted to do the cupcake class they have. They have a cupcake cooking class. That would have been a lot of fun. But like I said, those things book so fast. So make sure you guys are checking the Carnival app, checking what's available when you're planning your trips, so you know, book early. So this is the schedule, which outlines each type of cooking class that they offer, and it tells you which day it will be. So this is how you can plan for the cooking class. So if you're interested in going to the ports, just know which cooking class is available on that day. So you may want to just book a cooking class that's available only on a sea day or a port that you're not interested in going to. So just keep in mind that this here gives you an exact schedule of everything. So I'm going to set the camera up so you guys can watch me cook, but my hands got to stay free. I can't be touching y'all. I'm just kidding. So they have a camera set up so we can see exactly what the chef is doing from where we are, because we're a little further away from her. So we can watch here and do the class. And 3 weeks. In the middle of the flower. So just use the back of your hand. It's warm and it's fair. So I'm just going to take my cutter. The bench has just helped us bring this to a go. But you got to get dirty in the kitchen. Okay.
Which is good, because if you work it too much, yeah, it's good. So put that bit of flour over the bench.
Okay.
Just use that tiny bit just to knead it back in. So what you're looking for is a bit of resistance, that bounce back just there.
Okay.
That's when you know it's nearly ready. So it doesn't take very long. But that for me feels good. So you feel that little bit of stickiness.
Right.
You just put a bit of flour on the bench.
A little bit.
And as that proves, it's going to prove.
Good. Then the hot sauce. Ooh-day. It's going to be spicy meatball. Hot sauce and sriracha. Spicy. Got some little chicken bites. I feel fancy with this. I like a lot of peppers, so y'all don't judge me too harshly, okay? I love pepper. A little bit of salt. The salt come out quick. You know, we put it in our hands, then sprinkle. I don't know, y'all. Everything is still to be seasoned. We're marinating some chicken right now, guys. We got our dough for our pretzel resting over here. because we're about to do this a quick boil, and we're marinating our chicken in our buttermilk and egg seasoning here. Look at me, I sound like I know what I'm talking about, huh? Log shape, not like poo like mine. Oh goodness. Welcome to Teresa's cooking class, where anything goes. So you cut the tips off to make them even. 1 inch pretzel bites. So that's about an inch.
These take about a minute, if that. So in the meantime,
Look at that, y'all. I got my little pretzel balls. Chef Treese in the kitchen, y'all.
then you've got the pastry brush. So we're going to use our pastry brush just to give this a quick coating of egg, so that we've got something for our salt to stick to. So egg wash.
I gotta paint the pretzels now.
Then when you put the breadcrumbs on, cover it completely. Completely cover it. And then push down a bit. Don't squash it, but just push down a little bit to make sure the breadcrumbs is in.
Made my little chicken nuggets. Start making his homemade chicken nuggets, y'all. He would love that. Yeah, I just had the chicken, so I'm screaming to go clean my hands right now. But we still gotta fry it, so I'm gonna hold off on washing my hands. Gotta check out my nuggets. My chicken nuggets. And then you get mozzarella, cheese balls.
The temperature on the induction, we're just going to turn this.
So you gotta rub the seasonings in together. That's how you mix it in. This is, look how messy this is. Trust the process, trust the process. We're gonna trust the process.
Yes, that's enough. Okay, and put the cheese.
Cheese ball.
Yes.
Okay.
And close this one. No.
Close it again.
Or you can from that one.
Okay.
Because the more bigger. Yes. Up and then press the side.
And then crimp the sides.
Yes.
Okay.
No, leave it. Yes. Just leave it with that one. Sorry.
And then close it.
Yes, and close it this one.
Okay.
Like that.
If it's floating,
Cut with
we're
this.
going to fry it off
Okay.
empanadas at a
Yeah,
time.
and then
The
press.
reason being, if we put too many in here, they sink to the bottom and stick together,
And done.
they are ruined.
Okay, like that.
Ah, I did it.
Thank you. Okay, my empanadas are frying up beautifully over here. I have my pretzels plated. Show you guys my pretzels. They chunky, huh? I'm about to try one because I got no self-restraint. And she said it's okay to try it, so it's my pretzel, y'all. Look, I made it. I did good, y'all. And you know what? I already love bread a lot. So for me, put these in a Ziploc bag. So we are all done with cooking, and I think I did. I'm ready to reveal my final product. I have pretzels, cheesy empanadas, and chicken bites. Let's see how it is, y'all. It looks like everything turned out good. So now it's the time for the true taste test. I already tried the pretzels, really good. I'm taking those back to my room, sneaking them in my pocket. These are my chicken bites. We marinated with sriracha, hot sauce, and buttermilk, salt, pepper. That was it. I don't got my complete. I don't got none of my other seasonings. So I'm gonna see how I like it then. It's good. It's simple, Lightly seasoned. Not a lot going on. That's a good chicken tender. I think the hot sauce really helps it. You don't get the heat at all from the hot sauce and the sriracha. I think it's just more so for flavor. And we didn't marinate it long, so it was a short time being marinated. But for the short time that it did marinate, it's pretty good. I'm ready to get to these cheesy empanadas. We have a salsa for it, sort of like pico. I do see the cilantro in it, so I'm guessing that is pico. She just said salsa. So this is for the empanada. Buttermilk, hot sauce, and Blue fam. I think I did that. The bread in this cornmeal that we had to roll it to the dough, which y'all saw me getting my hands dirty with. It was stressing me out because I don't like stuff on my hands. It was a labor of love. But it tastes good. The cheese is nice and melted inside. I don't know, y'all. I'm not 100% sure. But the chicken is marinated and Salsa. It might be a quick snack at the house. And I don't know about doing all that rolling and all that stuff. I might got to get the free store-bought though. I'm sorry, y'all. I just can't. But it's good. I'm used to the Spanish way of making empanadas with the beef and all the potato and stuff inside of it. But this is good. It's just like a cheesy cheese stick. But we're going to continue on finishing up here, and we'll see you guys later. Look at that. Hey Blue fam, right now we are preparing for the all white night here on the ship. It is called the White Hot Night. So everyone on the ship is going to be wearing all white. We're going to head up to the Lido deck, which is the pool deck at the top. And they're going to have a big party up there. So I might bring y'all with me. I don't know. Y'all ain't been acting right. Y'all ain't believing no comments. I'm just kidding. But I'll get some footage and try to insert it here. But yeah, that's what we're doing for tonight. Today is still a sea day, so that's what they have planned for us. Tomorrow is Nassau. And I don't know. I told y'all earlier how I felt about getting that footage for Nassau. But I'll see you guys in a few.